In this video, I'm going to show you 5 ways that you can create an intro for your YouTube videos. It's coming up. Hey everyone, Steve here from Learn Online Video, and today we're talking all about YouTube intros. And look, these things are great. They make your videos look more professional, they help build brand awareness, and they keep your audience engaged. But how do we make them? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you 5 ways, starting from the quickest, cheapest, easiest way, going all the way up to something that requires a bit more creativity and a little bit more skill. Okay, so how do you make a YouTube intro? Well, look, if you're just looking for something really cheap, really quick, and really easy, then what I would recommend is just using your logo. Bring your logo up at the beginning of your videos. You could animate your logo slightly, perhaps add a digital punch in just to bring it to life more. You could add a little bit of music, some sound effects maybe, and consider removing the background. So putting on a transparent background and putting something in the background that also moves, just to bring it to life a little bit more. So look, if you're looking for something cheap, quick and easy, that could be your best bet. But you might be thinking to yourself right now, you know what, Steve, that sounds like a crap idea. That's gonna look awful. And you know what, you could be right. And look, we probably can do better than just bringing up our logo. So what else can we do? What if we want to improve on that? What if we want something animated, but we just don't have the skills to animate it ourselves? Well, fear not, because there's always Fiverr. Fiverr is a website full of freelancers from all over the world looking for work. Graphic designers, video editors, just type into the search box what you're looking for. So if you just type in YouTube intro, you will find a list of people offering their services. Just get in touch with one of them, tell them what you're looking for. It really is that simple. Prices vary, but I find you can expect to pay anything between 20 and 30 pounds for a decent looking YouTube intro, and they usually deliver it within a couple of days. This just eliminates all the faff that comes with trying to create some kind of YouTube intro yourself, especially when you just don't have the skills required to do it. It looks great, it's relatively cheap, and it's quick. Fiverr, just go there. But at this point, you might be thinking to yourself, Steve, no, I don't want to let someone else do this. I want to do this myself, but again, I don't have the skills in order to do it. I'm not an animator. What do I do? Well, one thing you can do, the third thing, is to go to Hive. Now, this website specializes in video effects and stock footage. Now, you're gonna have to get something that's specific to the software that you use, but you can search via Final Cut Pro or Adobe or whatever it is that you use. There are literally hundreds of animated templates on this website. Just find something that you're looking for, and then it's simply a case of either just dragging and dropping your logo in its place. You can change the colors, the animation, the way it moves, the sounds, the music. You can really customize these templates, and it saves a whole bunch of time. And look, full disclaimer here, guys, okay? I'm actually really unhappy with my current YouTube intro. I created this about 2 years ago. I actually downloaded a template and customized it myself, but I've had it for 2 years and it's definitely time for an update. But at this point, you might be thinking to yourself, well, no, Steve, I don't want to buy a template because then someone else out in YouTube world may have the same intro as me. And you know what? You could be right. There is a risk of that. If you buy a template, the chances are that somebody else out there could be using it for one of their YouTube intros. So look, if you really want to avoid that and just make something completely unique, then you're going to have to make something completely unique. So I would recommend learning some skills, watching some YouTube tutorials, or if you've already got the skills, just animate something from scratch, make it unique, make it your own. But at this point, you might be thinking to yourself, no, I don't want to animate my logo at all. I want something way more interesting. I want to shoot this thing myself. And you know what? To be honest, in my opinion, that is by far the best way to do this. But to shoot something yourself, something completely unique, it's going to take a bit of time. It's going to take more skill. So maybe you're not ready for this yet. But if you are, then I highly recommend you shoot your YouTube intro yourself. Make it completely unique. This is the total opposite from a template. But how do you shoot, edit, and create one of these YouTube intros yourself? Well, if you're looking for some inspiration, I highly recommend checking out the YouTuber Dan Mace.
Not normal. Pictures of the bits of my brain, and you can see quick sticks, so we the black sheep. Not normal. Flipping with the switch, me straight.
Clearly a lot of effort that's gone into his intro, but it just looks amazing and really stands out. Another great example of an intro would be from Casey Neistat's 368. Instantly memorable music, and every now and again he would change some of the clips from within that intro sequence. Incredible. So the whole point of this video was to show you your options when it comes to creating a YouTube intro. It's now up to you to decide which option works best for you. So I hope you found this video useful. If you did, let me know by giving it the old thumbs up. And if you'd like to watch more content just like this, you can do that by clicking over there. But that's it from me. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.